concept is called the three-hitter quitter. One of my favorite concepts because it allows you to, it's a hybrid of freestyling slash almost choreographed or set moves. The idea of it is you pick your 3 favorite moves that you like to do. Like whether, for me, an example would be going from a side flip, okay, and then I freestyle in between, go into a next move, which is probably a freeze, and next move to another freeze, okay? You pick your 3 favorite moves, okay, whether it's backflip, a freeze, or whatever it is, 3 favorite moves, freestyle in between, okay? Because this gives you a sort of beginning, middle, and end for all your for your entire dancing, and at the same time, it keeps the raw essence of freestyle in there, okay? So, because what a lot of people do is that they come out with sets, which is totally cool. Everyone has different philosophies, but if you're that type of person who doesn't want to be tied down to doing sets and they want to have that feeling of freestyle yet at the same time control, okay, that's a great way to go. So move, freestyle, move, freestyle, move, and then you end your set. Cool, so easy as that. I'll try to show you guys in this quick demo to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. Okay, so once you see it, give it a shot. I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped